Did you know that a tiny valve, costing less than $10 to $30, can eventually cause thousands of dollars in engine repairs if it fails? It sounds unbelievable, but mechanics see it every single day. A faulty PCV valve can trigger oil leaks, rough idle, poor fuel economy, excessive oil consumption, and in severe cases, even damaged engine seals or turbochargers. The worst part is that most drivers don't even know what a PCV valve is until their check engine light comes on or oil starts leaking everywhere. In this video, I'm going to show you the 9 common warning signs of a bad PCV valve, and most importantly, how you can fix the problem before it turns into an expensive repair. Let's dive in. Symptom number 1. Rough idle and engine shaking. One of the earliest warning signs of a failing PCV valve is a rough or unstable idle. Instead of running smoothly around 600 to 800 revolutions per minute, your engine may shake, vibrate, or fluctuate unexpectedly while sitting at a traffic light. This happens because a PCV valve that is stuck open creates a vacuum leak, which allows extra unmetered air into the intake manifold. Even a small vacuum leak can throw off the engine's carefully balanced air-fuel mixture, which may lead to incomplete combustion. Modern fuel-injected engines constantly adjust fuel delivery, but when the leak becomes too large, then the computer simply can't compensate. As a result, the engine may hesitate, stumble, or even stall at idle. Thousands of drivers replace spark plugs or ignition coils trying to solve this problem, only to discover later that the real culprit was an inexpensive PCV valve. Symptom number 2. Check engine light. The modern automotive diagnostic ecosystem relies heavily on oxygen sensors located in the exhaust stream to continuously monitor the chemical composition of gases leaving the engine. When a stuck-open PCV valve introduces unmetered air into the system, these upstream sensors detect an overwhelming abundance of residual oxygen and signal a dangerous lean condition directly to the vehicle's onboard computer. The ECU immediately attempts to compensate for this imbalance by adjusting its fuel trim parameters. Once these long-term fuel trim corrections exceed the manufacturer's preset safety thresholds, then the ECU triggers the check engine light and store diagnostic trouble codes like P0171 or P0174. Ignoring these codes not only severely degrades your fuel economy by up to 10% due to the over-enrichment cycle, but the prolonged lean environment also dramatically increases internal combustion temperatures and puts your expensive catalytic converter at risk of catastrophic thermal failure. Symptom number 3. Oil leaks appearing everywhere. If your engine suddenly develops oil leaks from multiple places, then don't immediately blame worn-out gaskets. A clogged PCV valve prevents harmful crankcase gases from escaping and allows internal pressure to build every time the engine runs. That pressure has to escape somewhere, and it often forces engine oil past valve cover gaskets, crankshaft seals, camshaft seals, or even the rear main seal. This results in sudden, severe external oil leaks that can leave large puddles on your driveway. And if the rear main seal ruptures, it may lead to a staggering repair bill ranging from $800 to $1,500. Automotive technicians frequently inspect the PCV system before replacing expensive engine seals because excessive crankcase pressure is a surprisingly common cause of recurring oil leaks. Symptom number 4. Excessive oil consumption. If you are adding engine oil regularly but can't find any leaks underneath your car, then your car's PCV valve may be quietly burning your oil instead. A stuck-open PCV valve allows excessive intake vacuum to pull liquid oil and oil mist directly from the crankcase into the intake manifold. That oil is then burned inside the combustion chambers without leaving obvious evidence on your driveway. Some manufacturers even consider consuming 1 quart of oil every 1,000 miles excessive enough to require diagnosis. Burning oil doesn't just lower the oil level. It also creates carbon deposits on spark plugs, intake valves, pistons, oxygen sensors, and catalytic converters. Over time, these deposits reduce engine efficiency, increase emissions, and may eventually lead to repairs costing thousands of dollars. Symptom number 5. Blue smoke from the exhaust. Blue smoke coming from the tailpipe usually means engine oil is entering the combustion chamber. While worn piston rings or valve seals can certainly cause this, but a stuck-open PCV valve can create the exact same symptom. When the valve sticks open, excessive intake vacuum pulls engine oil into the combustion chambers, where it burns along with the air-fuel mixture. The result is a bluish-gray smoke that may appear during startup, hard acceleration, or after idling for several minutes. Even a small amount of burning oil can gradually contaminate the catalytic converter. That can cost $1,000 to over $3,000 to replace on many modern vehicles. According to emissions experts, oil contamination is one of the leading causes of premature catalytic converter failure. If caught early, replacing a simple PCV valve may eliminate the smoke and prevent much more expensive exhaust system repairs. Ignoring it, however, can eventually damage multiple engine and emission components. Symptom number 6. Thick engine sludge. Under the oil cap, one of the PCV valve's most important jobs is removing moisture, fuel vapors, and combustion gases before they contaminate the engine oil. When the valve becomes clogged, then these contaminants remain trapped inside the crankcase, where they mix with hot oil and gradually form thick sludge deposits. Remove your oil filler cap, and you may notice black, sticky sludge, or even a creamy, mayonnaise-like residue, especially if the vehicle is driven mostly on short trips. Studies have shown that engine sludge can significantly reduce oil flow through narrow lubrication passages, starving critical components of proper lubrication. Timing chains, camshafts, variable valve timing systems, and turbochargers are especially vulnerable to sludge buildup. In severe cases, sludge can block oil pickup screens and lead to complete engine failure. All of this can begin with something as simple as a neglected PCV valve. Symptom number 7. Oil contamination inside the air filter box. Under normal operating parameters, the PCV system utilizes a secondary breather tube connected to the main air intake assembly to pull fresh, filtered air into the crankcase to help flush out gaseous contaminants. However, when a failing PCV valve gets jammed shut by carbon sludge, then the explosive buildup of internal pressure completely reverses this intentional directional flow and turns the fresh air intake into an emergency escape hatch. Oil-laden mist and raw blow-by vapors are forcefully propelled backward through the breather tube and travel upstream against the normal current until they deposit directly into the engine's air filter housing. Mechanics frequently discover paper air filters completely saturated in engine oil during routine maintenance, which acts as a definitive smoking gun for a totally failed and blocked PCV system. An oil-soaked air filter chokes the engine of clean oxygen, severely restricts throttle response, triggers mass airflow sensor faults, and can permanently ruin the delicate hot wire elements inside your intake electronics. Symptom number 8. Whistling or hissing noise from the engine. Have you ever heard a strange whistling or hissing sound under the hood that changes with engine speed? Many drivers immediately suspect a worn serpentine belt or a leaking vacuum hose, but the PCV valve is often the hidden source. Inside many modern PCV valves is a spring-loaded plunger or rubber diaphragm that regulates crankcase airflow. If that diaphragm tears or the valve sticks partially open, then the air rushing through the small opening creates a high-pitched whistle, much like blowing across the top of a bottle. The sound is usually most noticeable at idle, because intake manifold vacuum is highest at low engine speeds. Some luxury vehicles have even been recalled in the past due to defective PCV diaphragm designs that produced loud whistling noises. Symptom number 9. Poor fuel economy and sluggish acceleration. Have you noticed you are filling up the gas tank more often even though your driving habits haven't changed? A failing PCV valve could be quietly reducing your fuel economy. When the valve sticks open, it creates a vacuum leak that forces the engine computer to constantly adjust the air-fuel mixture, often using more fuel than necessary to maintain proper combustion. Even a 5 to 10% drop in fuel economy can add up to hundreds of dollars in extra fuel costs over the course of a year. At the same time, the engine may feel sluggish, hesitate during acceleration, or respond slowly when you press the throttle. Many drivers blame poor quality fuel or dirty fuel injectors, when in reality, the problem may be caused by a PCV valve that costs less than a family dinner. Now that you know the symptoms, but how do you verify if the PCV valve is actually the culprit without spending a dime at a shop? You can perform 2 incredibly easy diagnostic tests right in your driveway. Test 1. The click test. With the engine off, locate the valve on or near the valve cover. Disconnect the hose and remove the valve. Shake it gently. Inside the valve is a spring-loaded plunger. If you hear a sharp, metallic rattling sound, it means the valve's plunger is moving freely, and your valve is likely fine. If you shake it and hear absolute silence, it means your PCV valve is completely gummed up with carbon sludge and is stuck closed. Remember that many newer engines use integrated PCV systems that don't rattle, and there you need to perform test number 2 to check your valve. Test 2. The thumb vacuum test. With the engine idling, pull the valve out of the engine cover while leaving its vacuum hose attached. Place your thumb firmly over the exposed end of the valve. You should feel a strong, unmistakable vacuum suction pulling against your skin. If you feel weak suction, or absolutely nothing at all, then either your valve is stuck open, or the vacuum hose itself is cracked, split, or clogged with debris. The bottom line of this video is, a bad PCV valve may be one of the smallest parts under your hood, but it plays a massive role in protecting your engine. But ignoring the warning signs of a bad PCV valve can eventually lead to blown seals, sludge formation, catalytic converter damage, or even complete engine failure. For $15 and 5 minutes of your time, it's worth changing every 30,000 to 50,000 miles just as cheap insurance for your engine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.